Good morning, everyone. XA23 here, and I'm back with just another video. Alright, guys, first and foremost, I just want to give a good shout out to YouTube on Twitter for helping me resolve my issue. In case you guys don't know what I'm talking about, on Thursday, October 27th, I got hacked yet again, where somebody got into my account, which you guys can see right here, where they uploaded three hack videos onto my channel. And then one of the videos got flagged by YouTube and they gave me a community guideline strike. So I was a little bit devastated because if you guys that follow my channel know, I don't upload crack software or license key stuff on the channel because that's not me. But I didn't give up the fight. So basically, what I did was that I went on to Team YouTube on Twitter. You know, I contacted them. I told them what's up. After my appeal got rejected, so I told them what's up. So I said, hey, somebody got into my account. They uploaded three hack videos, and can you help me out? So basically, YouTube did. They gave me this form to fill out. I had to wait like a couple days, and then they got back to me, and I just woke up now, and my community guideline strike is gone. So yeah, man, that is something good to wake up because, like I said, that shit was bothering me because I hate how um, somebody just like comes into your account and then they do something and then you have to take the responsibility because like I said, I wasn't going to take the responsibility for something I didn't do. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, that's great that YouTube removed my strike because I thought they was not going to help me because I don't have a big fan base. You know what I mean? You know how YouTube, love to play favoritism into the bigger audience, but I'm surprised that they helped me, man. And yeah, man, like I said, man, it's real out there. You guys gotta be careful. These hackers, they get into your account, man. And, and they stop messing around. And then, like I said, YouTube sees it, and then they end up, your channel ends up getting a community guideline strike, or better yet, your channel gets terminated. So, like I said, you got guys out there, the hacking is real. Like I said, do not interact with people who's in your comment section if you don't know, your live, or any links or anything in the description, because like I said, those are the easy ways for people to get into your hack. Not only just on the YouTube, but also all over social media. Just like be careful, man, because like I said, the hacking is very real, man, and they can do a lot of damage. But once again, I just want to say salute to YouTube, and not only just YouTube, but my brother George Page for putting the word out that what happened to me because that was a big help as well. But like I said, man, it's happy that I back to uh, normal. You know what I mean? Because like I said, I was getting upset, man, that I got something that I didn't even do. But once again, man, salute to YouTube for actually helping me. And like you said, guys, stay to the channel. We'll be back to original content, what was supposed to be on the channel. But other than that, peace and love, everybody. I'll see you guys later on. I'm out.